Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, after going to a neutral rating on Antero Resources, I'm reiterating a buy after a 10% drop in 2 days. So let's get into it. I'm going to attach uh, the original, the video from 2 days ago for your reference. So I'll try to make this short and sweet. So this was the Antero Resources, ticker AR. And here's the big 3-year symmetrical triangle. You can see I've traded this a few times successfully. And the last time went to a buy rating. This was on 226 at 34.41. And 2 months later or a month later, um, went to a neutral rating on March 30th. So actually a month later at 44.23 for a gain of 28%. So on Friday, I went to a neutral rating saying that this was overbought short term and that a pullback was likely. However, I wanted to get back into this name because the price projection arrived at by measuring the base of this triangle and projecting it upward is 63. So right now we're at 40. So, the potential here is, 50%, a little bit over 50% upside, and I don't want to miss it, even though we already got 28% upside. I want more, yes. So let's take a closer look at this. And here's where we went neutral, and then we had two big down days. And what I was trying to get is we had a bearish engulfing pattern here at the top where Friday's price action totally engulfed the prior day, actually 2 days. And we were overbought already on our relative strength index. And I wanted to get this worked off, and we got it worked off in 2 days. Now, does that guarantee that it's going to go up tomorrow? I don't know. But I think there's a lot less risk today than there was 2 days ago. One of the reasons, so we're just going to look at like a month chart. This is only a 4-week chart that we're going to look at. And here we are. So prices came down really hard. It brought our cluster of moving averages together, a rainbow convergence, as my followers would know. And so I'm expecting a retracement back to that convergence. Now, the tricky part is going to be if it stops there and stalls, it would promise a new lower low, which is no big deal. It's a little bit, potentially just a little bit less than where we're at now. But if that happens and we close tomorrow, if we're lucky enough to close tomorrow at 43 or so, I may go neutral again. I'm not sure about that yet. So, for you that aren't trading oriented like that, you don't have to be. You can buy back your stock and wait for the 63 to come and call it good night. But, for me and for some of my followers, they want to be, uh, I think it's just a prudent thing to do to be a little bit more trading oriented. There's a lot of risk in this market. And so I'm going to take gains when I can. Coin figure chart, it had a straight row of X's here. Then I said that was a pull on Friday, and that meant we were overbought and we get a pullback. So we got the pullback. So again, I think this gives us a little bit better entry into the stock and saved us 10%. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, neighbors, and family. Have a great evening. Adios.